Imagine calling a company and speaking to a senior sales rep who isn't human but still understands your needs, guides the conversation, and even sends you a proposal. Well, that's Sienna, my AI sales agent, and today I'll show you exactly how she works. Hey guys, my name is Marek and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to present you with my service JackoAI, where I essentially automate workflows with AI agents. I create AI-driven sales automation and voice agents to handle outreach, follow-ups and inbound calls for clients so they can focus on growing their business. So integral part, as you heard, is Sienna, which is a senior sales representative, and I created her as a 11 labs mainly agent with some tools with NAN. So she is actually have few abilities or technical abilities she can do on the fly on a call I can talk about. So firstly, I would like to say that she is not perfect yet, and we are getting there step by step. It's iteration with any other project like that. But I tell you that building an AI agent like this feels more like an art than a science, and it's very exciting to me. So some of the things she can do right now is that she actually leads sales conversation and tailoring services to the client needs. Then she manages time efficiently in terms that she understands how long the conversation needs to take for her to steer it to the successful end. Then she gathers emails and sends the summary with the proposal. Then she analyzes a client's website to understand their business, and then explains the service, pricing, and how everything works together. So this gives her enough tools to actually, in my opinion, close the client to a successful deal with JackoAI. So let's see how it actually goes, because this is a newly created service. So what's the future plan for this service in general? Like, my vision for that is that I'll create a full AI team in general, improve the concept of actually having full AI agents working from the sales through project management and development to the maximum client satisfaction. So right now, I think Sienna will always stay as a sales representative. I will then actually tune her up to be able to go and upsell clients and actually be there for this commercial part of site. But then the very crucial part will be, and that is actually the next step, is the AI project manager. And this agent will be actually having a vector database, a vector memory, and the client will be available to talk to them and give them actually the tasks, what they need. And that is actually the main reason why the project manager is going to be super useful, is because, as you might know, that working with some clients, and if not all, is a little bit more difficult when gathering the requests for the work. That way, if we have a project manager who is actually like the really senior, they can actually take the requests and translate that into a task for the developer, which is in this case me. But down the road, I would like to also withdraw myself from the process and actually create a AI developer who is actually going to be the guy who is going to build these services. So can't wait to see how this all going to play out and how I actually going to be able to put this in motion. But it takes a little bit more time to figure everything out. But I think it is possible, and it's going to be possible actually within a few months with the technology advancing so fast. So as I said earlier, the technical setup for Sienna is that she is mainly an AI voice agent built in 11 Labs. It's an amazing company who is actually having and working on the voice technology, and she is mainly built in the platform. Now she has several tools to actually work or maybe to actually handle some stuff. So that means that I for that use NAN, which is actually working very good, and we will actually demonstrate it on a call with her. And in the future, I will be experimenting also with the reverse side, that actually having more work done in NAN, and then, for example, use only language from 11 Labs, because there's like no one way how to build these agents. So that's actually exciting to test how each platform can work, or which platform works best. All right, so let's briefly walk you through the website. When you land here, you will have this hero. I'm not going to go through everything. Maybe just go a little bit through the services actually it offers. We can be getting more clients through the cold outreach. There's some sort of like a big in part at the beginning. Then we qualifying and reaching the lead. We can build the AI-powered voice agents. Then we actually generating a full company report, and then actually have a full automated and fully scalable outreach via emails. The way it works is also very straightforward with us. You actually, and I would like every client to talk to the Sienna to get all the information needed. Then I will check everything and make a final proposal for the client. Then when we sign documents, we start working together and we start delivering. So without further ado, I think we can call Sienna and to see her in action. So let's try it. In order to do that, you need to click on this beautiful widget, and then we can start moving forward. So we can hit start call. You will be prompted to accept terms and conditions, so make sure you read them, and then let's go to that.
Hi, welcome to JackoAI. My name is Sienna. How can I help you?
Hey Sienna, I would like to know more about your business and how could you actually help my business?
I'd be happy to help. To provide you with the most relevant information, could you share your business website with me? That way I can give you personalized insights tailored to your specific needs. Also, may I know your first name?
Yeah, actually, my first name is Joe, and my business website is 4sr.com.
Thanks, Joe. Let me take a quick look at your website to better understand your business. Thanks for sharing that, Joe. I see you're in the motorcycle gear industry, specializing in high-quality racing suits and protective equipment. JackoAI could significantly enhance your business operations in a couple of ways. First, we could implement an AI voice agent to handle customer inquiries 24/7, helping with sizing questions, product specifications, and order status updates. Second, our AI sales automation could help you identify and reach out to potential dealers or distributors automatically. What's currently your biggest challenge in terms of customer interaction or sales process?
Yeah, I think our biggest challenge is that we would like to have more customers. So how could you help us with that?
I understand, Joe. Based on your motorcycle gear business, JackoAI's AI sales automation would be perfect for increasing your customer base. Here's specifically how we could help. Our system would automatically find and qualify potential dealers and retailers interested in carrying your motorcycle gear, reach out to motorcycle shops and sports stores with personalized messages, handle initial conversations and book sales calls with interested parties, follow up with leads consistently, ensuring no opportunities are missed. Would you like to know?
This is great. Thank you for that. Could you explain to me how this actually works when we start working together?
Of course, Joe. Once we decide to work together, here's exactly how we'll get started. First, we'll set up a subscription plan that's $20,500 per month, which includes all necessary tools and standard usage. Here's the process.
Hold on a second. You said $25,000 a month? That's a bit expensive, don't you think?
Oh no, I apologize if I wasn't clear. Let me correct that immediately. It's $20,500 per month, $2,500, not $25,000. This is our standard subscription that includes all the necessary tooling and costs. It's a fixed price package that covers everything you need to get started with both our AI sales automation and AI voice agents. Would you like me to explain what's included in this monthly subscription? I can break down the value you'll receive for your investment.
Yeah, sure. I mean, you can send that to me in an email later, but I mean, I would like to know more about like who is actually behind this service.
Of course, JackoAI was founded by Marek Jacko, who's an expert in AI-driven automation. He has an extensive background in IT and has experience creating IT teams for projects across different countries, from the USA to Germany. This gives him a deep understanding of software delivery projects. What's interesting is that Marek is based in Central Europe and has a passion for fast motorcycles himself, which is quite fitting given your business. He created JackoAI to help businesses better interact with leads and customers using AI voice technology and automation. Would you
All right,
like
great.
to learn more about our specific approach?
No, I think this is great. I mean, I'm fine. I actually know everything what I wanted to know.
I'm glad I could help you understand more about JackoAI. Before you go, would you be interested in receiving a detailed email with all the information we discussed? I could include specifics about our AI sales automation service and how it could benefit your motorcycle gear business. If so, I just need your full name and email address.
Yeah, sure. It's going to be Joe Racing is my name, and then email is going to be jacko.marek@protonmail.com.
Thanks! Just to confirm, your full name is Joe Racing and your email is jacko.marek@protonmail.com. I want to make sure I have this exactly right before sending you the information.
Yes, that is correct. Thank you.
Great, I'll prepare a summary of our conversation and send it to your email right now. I've just sent you an email with all the details we discussed. You should receive it shortly. Is there anything else you'd like to know about JackoAI?
Well, Sienna, thank you very much. This was great. So I'm good. Thank you.
Thank you for your time, Joe. You'll find all the details in your email. If you have any questions after reviewing it, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
All right, so we have a call down. So as you can see, she actually interacted with me. She answered all the questions. She did scrape the website, so she understood the context, and then she went to and sent the email, which is actually going to be sent. So I'm going to go to my send messages, which I'm going to refresh now, and we should be having it here. Come on, why it's not here? Oh, so that's supposed to be sent 3:38. Oh yeah, this is actually the one. Sorry. All right, so 1 minute ago. Okay. So she handled the name, and she's saying it was great speaking with you today. Wanted to send you a quick follow-up with some key takeaways from our conversation. In our discussion, we delved into how JackoAI could support 4SR in enhancing customer. And please, guys, this is just the real company, but I mean, I'm just using it for the demo purposes. It's not my company. Is enhancing customer acquisitions for your motorcycle gear offering. We took a closer look at AI sales automation services, which can strategically identify and connect with potential dealers and retailers. You expressed interest in understanding our methods about your founder, Mayor Jacko. Okay, so then we went to help grow. So as you can see, like it's been made from that conversation on the fly, and the email was successfully sent. Let me check the address. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Everything is fine. Okay, so yeah. So actually, this went pretty well in my opinion. Let me know in the comments or in the messages what do you think about that, and if you think this was useful and it will be useful, and what are the use cases probably for your company or for your business. So I will put the link down below, which you can actually go and try to talk to Sienna, or if you know somebody who would like to use a service like that, you can actually share them the website. And I also will attach my 11 Labs referral link, so if you would like to play with the service, you can use that also. So thank you for your time, guys, and I see you in the next videos.